Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, going to show you how you can reduce the photo file size without losing its quality on your iPhone. So for example, here we have the photo. So if you're going to tap on the eye icon, basically you'll find the size here, 3.2 MB. Now, if you want to resize this one, so basically you just have to use other applications like the Telegram or WhatsApp. So if you're going back to your home screen, so basically we just need to look for another application like the WhatsApp right from here. So the only thing that you can do is basically you can send that picture on your own account. So basically here. So once done, you just have to tap and hold on that picture. And if you're going to, for example, we're going to save this. So tap on the picture and then tap on the icon at the bottom left and then tap on the save button. So once you save on your photo, if you're going back to your gallery and find that photo that you saved, as you can see here, it is now 144 KB. So yeah, you can actually reduce the photo file size without losing the quality of the photo. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.